In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy page in GoHighLevel. We'll start right at the source. Head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. If you manage multiple brands or locations, make sure you're in the correct workspace so the page ends up in the right place. From the left-hand menu, open Sites or Funnels and Websites. Decide where this page should live. Add it to a full website if you want a traditional site structure, or to a specific funnel if you're running a standalone campaign. Either option works. It just depends on how your visitors navigate your content. Select the website or funnel you're working on to open the editor and the list of pages. This is where you'll add and manage your content. Create a new page by clicking New Page or Add Page. Name it Privacy Policy so it's easy to recognize internally and externally. For the layout, choose a blank template or a very simple layout. Since this is a legal document, you want clean formatting and no distractions. Open the page editor and add your privacy policy text. You can paste content from a reputable generator or your own legal document. Take a moment to format it with clear headings, short paragraphs, and logical sections so it's easy to read. If you're accessing GoHighLevel through your browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. If you're using an app version, check the download link there as well. Now configure the page settings. Set a straightforward URL path like privacy policy. Use lowercase letters and hyphens for clarity. Make sure the page is visible or published so it's accessible to visitors and compliant for ad networks or integrations that look for this page. Optionally, add the privacy policy to your site or funnel navigation. The footer is the standard spot, but you can also add it to a top menu. This helps users find it quickly and signals trust. Save your changes, then publish. Give it a moment to process, and if you don't see updates right away, refresh or clear your cache. Finally, test the page live. Visit your website or funnel, scroll to the footer, click the privacy policy link, and confirm everything displays correctly. Check that text is readable on desktop and mobile, links work, and the URL path is correct. That's it. You've successfully added a privacy policy page in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.